It's tax season, so let's talk about taxes. This will probably be like a 3 or 4 part series, depending on how much content we got, and there's a lot of content because we pay a lot more taxes than we want to. So anyway, let's talk about a general overview of the taxes. We all pay a bunch of taxes, and that comes in the form of income tax, sales tax, a tax for this, a tax for that, and they're all to keep the government running. So let's talk about the one we all see, and that's income tax. Whatever you get as income, you get taxed on it. And that's whether you're a W-2 employee or a 1099 employee, we all have to pay some form of income tax. Income tax comes in the form of either federal government, so that's the United States, state government, that's what state you live in. Some states don't charge a tax, like Florida, go Florida. And sometimes there's a local tax on top of the state tax, and that's for your local municipality or your local city that they have their own programs and they need taxes to keep it running. So usually the state and the local tax are either a fixed percentage or some type of tax bracket, but the federal one, which we all pay, is based on a tax bracket. Depending on how much income you make throughout the year, whether that's you and your spouse or just yourself, you fall into a tax bracket, and that's how much you pay. And at the end of it all, come the end of the year, we all file our taxes, and that's what we're in, tax season. So once the year closes, we kind of crunch all the numbers through some type of tax software or some tax accountant that prepares it for us. We send it to the IRS or your state, and they say, hey, you paid too much, too little. So let's see what's going on. All right, and that's basically an overview of the taxes. In our next series, we'll talk about how to fill out a W-4 and how to do other things regarding tax season. Join us.
That was good.